जय साहब, श्रीमान आज के गणतंत्र दिवस परेड पर 11 प्लाटून परेड निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है। श्रीमान जय साहब।
Of dedications, van of rejoicing. Dedication to the glorious task of making the peasants and workers, the toilers and the thinkers fully free, happy and cultured. Ladies and gentlemen, the parade commander for today's function is Great Commander Hari Keshwar Mishra. He is an officer of the East Khasi Hills Executive Force, Shillong. The next contingent is Akasi Secondary School of Scotland, Sohra. Commander Samordon Ryakam, flag bearer, Dawan Suknamu. Battalion 4. The next contingent is St. John Bosco Girls High Secondary School. Contingent is the school contingent of Secondary School. Commander Liwan Longhindu, flag bearer Cheryl Sawian, and flag holder Christine Watt. Commander Medala I. Fisha Almaki, flag bearer, Marvelous Sin, flag holder, Iba Command Jabon. High Secondary School, Sohra, led by Secretary Symbud. The next contingent is St. John Bosco Boys, Sohra. Commander Vinayan Kyokam, flag holder Adrian Gordon Vani, flag bearer.
And Netadi Subhash Chandra Bose. We also salute patriots from our soil, Utirot Singh, Kyang Nangba, Patugan N. Sarma, and other unsung heroes. We respectfully remember the martyrs from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and police forces who have laid down their lives in protecting the rule of law. Hakanik Stemblala, ke jela kramat ya ke shong shngan ngilaya chkhmat ban penbek ya ke jinga kerja kaput apreng Assam bat Meghalaya hadin ke jinga soy ya ke MOU haluber al-hajar afwar nak ban penbek ikin riutli ke jaka ya kerja ke jingjurep ya ke jaka puta kelastang ban pihak yuput usam apreng kini ke atli ke jela ki angut ki menteri ramba kirai kenduk biang hau jemang al-hajar al-kulai man sedang penbaik ya ki jingi pihak jemut sakin riutli ki weipat ki jaka ki besak lathau ya ki regional committee nak banta kini ki than pat ki la penlong ya ki jingilang pat ki po sarkar na Assam ke sarkar ke thrang penwanra ya jinsuk jinsngan aga jala pat sasisin ke la panjur bagi keluar banyak keren bagi HNLC kat kum kariti sinsat pat ba jong dari India pat kat kum ki jing bitin linti jong ke Union Ministry of Home Affairs. During the last year, the overall law and order situation in the state was peaceful. We made significant progress in resolving the border dispute between Assam and Meghalaya. Following the historic signing of the Memorandum of Understanding in March 2022 for 6 areas of difference, the process of survey has been initiated to demarcate the interstate boundary. The two chief ministers met again in May 2023 to initiate the process of resolving the dispute in the remaining 6 areas of difference. Regional committees have been formed for these areas and they have conducted meetings with their Assam counterparts. The government is committed to bring lasting peace in the state and once again reiterates that it is open to having talks with the HNLC within India's constitutional framework and as per the guidelines of the Union Ministry of Home Affairs. Katnat Home Police Kalapan Klan Yakitiar Donkam Pakijaka Jigipulip Haki District. Lakhaban Klindru Yakitiar Donkam Jagofa Emergency Services. On Sependek Group Akapur Kapabian Yaga Jingtung Yakumbalai Hajat Likikam Balai Hakatanat Pulit. Meghalaya Karap Plat Patbar Yaka State Anthem Kabarwai Ro Yaka Jela Yaki Nongsham Shnong Patka Culture Takaba Banjur Yaka Jingdon Kam Jomna Jingatali Yaka Niga Tha Anthem Latau Haka Jatkitian Baritu Haka Jingtray Kam Katkum Meghalaya State Language Act Arajar San Haka Jingja Kabansa Nam Haka History Yau Mut Madur Jong Tirot Singh on Sapli Prada Haka Khatndil Tarik Rambang Arajar Al-Kusaw Haka Bangladesh Haka Di Kajingkli Prada Yaga Meghalaya dan Samikmat Haka Kenuhun Bankli Daw Symbud Menteri Rangba Bakedhub Iki Menteri Kabinet Ki Officer Sohra Ki Kli Nong Sinsha Shnong Ki Riu Shampan Ki Nong Tem Nong Put Ki Khot Jong Kiseng Bapek Ba Kamet Upai Ba Bat Ki Nong Pathai Kubur Lapan Trekam Yaga Green Meghalaya Haka Jela Kani Payment for Ecosystem Services Program Kani Bakrautam Hakari India Hapok Kani Skib Ki Nong Shong Shnong Kilayo Ika Grand Shisnem Naga Banta Gajik Benet Pensa Yaki Jagat Klau Hadu Banta Katsan Spak Li Kishnong Kilayo Jingkersham Gajik Persang Jaki Ban Benet Ban Suma Kumba Arpunyo Hajar Hektar Jagat Klau Kesorka Jala Ketresitom Ban Pembaha Bat Kentil Likitiar Beronkam Kentup Akakwait Kakia Kapuli Putih Bat Kikabu Kamai Jakpo Yawai Pawai Kinong Shang Shnong Habang Ibu Ahmad Yaka Roy Kakiyo Ginyele Ru Ban Sumal Bat Tingkai Yagispa Kamai Ramdau Ban Penpau Perteri Yaka Jingrus Ba Kajala Akilian Kakulture New Pusau Sinem Menchua Menta Kasni Kipat Nong Shang Shnong ke India Kila Yok Kenti Haladi Yaka Jinglong Trai Yaka Nikari Kum Kinong Yok Pateng Yaka Nikanong Kenti Ngin Persang Panwanra Yaka Jingat Trailang Apa lagi Samla ki long kami, ki long rep, ki long tre kamar jong, but ki borsh no. Tong ini sinok tilang, but no sinyang syak roi kapar, but kaloi bapurnai, jong kejala, kejongi. In addition to the primary sector, the government recognizes tourism as a growth driver. Meghalaya will be transformed into India's most preferred tourist destination, and the share of the tourism sector will be increased to more than 10% of the state's GDP. Several schemes which will both facilitate tourism and generate livelihood opportunities are being implemented. One such scheme is the Meghalaya Tourism Homestay Scheme, under which a subsidy of up to 7 lakh rupees is being provided to tourism entrepreneurs for developing tourist accommodations, restaurants and crafts and emporiums. The scheme has been availed by almost 320 entrepreneurs since its inception. A large number of tour operators in Shillong, Tura and other towns have benefited from the Prime Luxury Tourism Vehicle Scheme. Under the scheme, a 50% subsidy on the cost of luxury vehicles is being provided. Lapan day yaki scheme bapher ki ban kentil yaki kam jngok kai jngok perthei bat penmi yaki lat kamai gaji. Kum kawai ne scheme Meghalaya Tourism Homestay Scheme hakabala ai jingrakhe subsidy hado nyolak tingka sinong sengkam lo jong bantai yaki jakasa na bandai nong jngok kai ki restaurant bat ki jakadi yaki mar papenmi takajala. Kumbalai sebab aku umut kinong sengkam na jong layo kabu nagani scheme nado pastangnya kai. Bun ba kinong punya kali jok kai Shillong Tura kilayo jimentoy naga Prime Luxury Tourism Vehicle Scheme. Hapo kani scheme la ai subsidy sanho na shispa naga dor jong kali ki baremdor. Ni kentu ya baro ki bedon benta hakabak kentiu ya ka kam jmo perthei ba ki long ki bakloy banya trai rengkat bat ka sorkar kanang bangin pentikna ba ka kam jmo perthei kanla pandong ka kabu ai kam ai jam ya kinong kitong baro ki jongi don kam ya ki doktor la padna bantu lightly ki medical college Meghalaya on sedang kentiu ya kitiar semarpan kibakat kum kajuk ke pemerintah habarok ke civil hospital but community health center ke jingrakhe jong medical recruitment board kelas seso hakwala pendap 70% kikam bat teli tang hak sisian penong jaki exam tungkam. So on this day the citizens of India conferred upon themselves the sovereignty of this nation. As heirs to that legacy, we will forge closer partnerships among Meghalaya's youth, women, farmers, entrepreneurs, and traditional institutions. Let us strive together to contribute towards the growth and development of our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Once again, I wish you a very happy Republic Day. Sashising I Kublai Kasmi Republic Kabakaman Yapibaro. Kublai Bidhela Jain.